Hi guys, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can download your Abra crypto wallet quickly and easily just in few steps. Keep watching the video till the end. In order to download your Abra crypto wallet on your Android device, firstly open your Play Store. In the search box at the top, type in Abra wallet and make a search. You're going to see the application displayed in the search result. Simply tap on the install button right next to the application to begin the downloading process. While downloading the application, make sure that you are connected to a strong internet. After installation process is completed, tap on an open button to launch the application. Open the application and that is how you will be able to download your Abra wallet in your Android device in no time. I hope this video was useful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Drop down the queries or feedback if you have any in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Thank you so much for watching.